Hi, my name is Tammy Reed. I work for a company. Our name is Ethicon. We are a Johnson & Johnson's company, and we specialize in medical devices. We have many different clients who have needs as a surgeon or maybe in an ambulatory center that does need medical devices for minimally invasive procedures. Over the past years, minimally invasive procedures have gone up 40%. And also the training hours for surgeons in residency have increased for these minimally invasive procedures. And minimally invasive surgeries is replacing operations. We have many people now that can go to an outpatient facility and get the same procedures they used to be getting in the hospital and stay many, many days. And you need very high-tech medical devices for these procedures. The demand for cutting-edge laparoscopic tools is on the rise, and the case minimum for these surgeries has increased for residents in training. The increase in cases is due to aging population, shorter hospital stays, a decrease in post-surgical mortality, and an increase in ambulatory services. Over the past 100 years, Ethicon has made significant contributions to surgery. Ethicon is a leader in research and innovation by providing products and services designed to reduce infection, healing time, and complications. Our products are designed with the patient as the top priority. With over 100 years of experience, Ethicon has led the way in revolutionizing non-invasive procedures and crushing our leading competitors in technology, delivery, and ingenuity. Johnson & Johnson has been pioneers in wound healing for over 130 years. There's over 130 years of experience, and our company has transformed surgery and elevated standard of care by using real-world outcomes, preclinical and clinical studies. We have transformed surgical techniques to provide patients with the best possible care. Very interesting fact, Ethicon creates enough sutures a year to wrap around the world 6 times. It's pretty cool. We are a trusted brand. We use our devices for bariatric and metabolic surgery. There is sutures and shears, knotless ties control devices. These shears outperform in efficiency, precision, and strength. Surgeons prefer Ethicon endocutters over leading brands due to its ability to control tissue movement. Your clients want the best when it comes to wound closure devices. We trust patient outcome is the top priority. Our tissue control devices have consistent tension and security. Our state-of-the-art fibron sealants allows for better clot formation. So all around, we want what is the best for the patient, and that patient care is our top priority. We're investing in innovation. Our colorectal portfolio is extensive, with a myriad of devices aimed to prevent bleeding, leaks, and surgical complications. Evidence has shown our products are proved to decrease leaks, bleeding, and SSI risk. And as you can see by the chart, there's a 61% fewer leaks at the staple line, 59% less bleeding, and 28% reduction in SSI risk. That's pretty significant. We have less bleeding complication, less air leaks. Peer-reviewed studies have proven Ethicon Flex-powered staplers can reduce morbidity, costs, and hospital stays for patients. Thoracic surgery has an increased risk of bleeding and air leaks. Using our Ethicon Flex-powered staplers has decreased complications by half. You can also feel very confident in what you are using with our Ethicon products. We give back. We're all about giving back to the community, to the world. Ethicon is committed to making a global impact. We provide medical devices and equipment across the globe in underserved and underprivileged areas. We provide medical equipment and devices to doctors and nurses for medical missions. Our goal is to make an impact, and not only in our communities, but across the entire world. And you can feel confident in using our products. Ethicon backs their products with comprehensive evidence-backed portfolio. Published studies have proven Ethicon products can address key surgical challenges, giving the clients the confidence they need during challenging cases. We want to reimagine the way healthcare is delivered. Ethicon can give your clients the products they trust. Our customer service is impeccable. We are here for you 24/7. We will make sure delivery is seamless and efficient. We understand your clients need this in a timely fashion. We want to make sure all of your needs are met. Your clients have unlimited access to training and education. We will come to your office, show you how to use the products, show you what it can do, and also we have a great warranty. We have a lifetime warranty on all our products. So I look forward to helping you in the rest of your journey, and we hope that we can help your buyers and your clients get the best products that they deserve.